Today we'll start the new chapter, that is chapter 3 of political and social life, our government. A prominently flashed headline in the newspaper caught Mansi's attention as she was getting ready for school. So when Mansi was getting ready for her school, in the newspaper she have caught an headline. Okay, it had been raining continuously for past few days, and Mansi has heard that the flood has have devastated lives of many people in different parts of the country. So what was the headline in the newspaper? Is that in the newspaper it shows that uh, the that raining was continuously for the past few days, and she have heard that many people lost their life because of the continuously rainfall in different parts of the country. The government seek military help to rescue people in the flood hit area, the headline said. So in the headline it is said that our Indian government it take help from the military so that they can rescue the people in the flood areas. As Mansi scanned through the newspaper, she could see the term government mentioned in various contexts. Government to ban the import of toxic toys. So as Mansi she was going through the newspaper, she see the word that is the government is mentioned in various topic in the newspaper. One such topic is government to ban the import of toxic toys. Government to scan 2 crores for establishment of a football coaching academy. Government to repair all the damaged road in the city before the next rainy season. Government to provide scholarship to students passing the international geography contest, etc. The government indeed has many things to do, Mansi thought. So by reading these headlines, Mansi she thought that government have to do many things. Okay, now in this chapter we will learn about the meaning, functions of a government, as well as about the different types of government. So in this chapter we will learn about the what is actually a government is, its meaning, different types of functions of a government, and we will also learn what are the different types of government which are present in the world. So first of all we will discuss what is government. A government is a political authority comprising one individual or a group of people who have the power to make and enforce laws for a country or a area. So what does the term government mean? Government is a political authority, that means political body, okay, which consists of one individual or a group of people who will make different types of rules and regulation, and they will implement in the country for the welfare of the society or the area. So this is a proper definition of government. A government is necessary for the smooth functioning of any country or community. So in any country or in any community, the presence of government is very necessary so that it can work properly. It makes law, so the government makes law. Implement them, that means used, or you can say enforce in our day-to-day life, and also ensure that the laws are followed. And it is a duty of the government to look after whether these laws are followed in a country or not, so that the society may function in a disciplined manner. So why they check whether these laws are followed or not? Because so that they can see whether the functions which are made by the government are followed in a disciplined manner or not. The word government comes from the Greek word kubernismos, which means to pilot a ship. So what does the government means? It means a pilot a pilot of a ship. That means a leader who will lead a country. If a sheep represent a state, that means if a sheep represent a state, okay, the government tries to guide its people towards better lives. Okay, so similarly it is the duty of the government to guide the people to live a better lives while avoiding problems such as war, crime, and economic troubles. So it is a duty of the government to solve the problems, that is war like situation, crime in the country, and economic troubles. Next is Functions of the government. The main functions of a government are to make laws and ensure that the people living in a country follow them. So what is the first function of the government? The first function of the government is they will make the laws and they will see whether these laws are followed by the people living in a country or not. To improve the infrastructure of the country, so it is a duty of the government to improve the infrastructure, that is development of a country, and raise the standard of living of the people. That means it also help to increase the standard of living of the people. How? By providing facilities such as road, electricity, clean drinking water, and healthcare. So these are the facilities which are provided by the government, so that it can improve the infrastructure, that means development of a country, and it also improve the standard of a living of the people. Next, to prevent crime and maintain law and order. So it is a duty of the government to prevent crime in a country and to maintain law and order. That means the laws which are made by the government, it should be maintained in a proper way. To protect the country from foreign invasion. So it is a duty of the government to protect the country from the foreign, or you can say enemy. Okay. To build bridge, dams, canals, and highways. So it is the government who will make the bridge, dams, canals, and highways in different parts of the country. To provide transport and facilities in the form of buses, railways, and airways. So it is a duty of the government to make transport facilities so that people can move freely in a country. And how? In the form of by making buses, railways, and airways. To ensure economic development of the country. So it is a duty of the government to maintain an economic development, so that all the people can get proper job. Okay, their living standard can be increased. Okay, so it is a duty of the government to build schools, colleges, and other educational institutions. So different types of school, colleges, and other educational system institution are also made by the government. So these are the functions of the government. Next is sources of income. The government need money to perform all the functions. So in order to perform all these functions, a government need money. So how they will get the money? The money is obtained from the people in the form of tax. So whatever the functions which a government do, it needs the money, right? And how the government get the money? It get the money from the people of that particular country in the form of tax. So every person in a country is if he or she is doing any job, any business, they have to pay tax to the government. The government levies taxes and the people of the country have to pay them. So the government decide the rate of interest on which they have to pay the tax, and it is a duty of the people of that particular country to pay the tax to the government. Income tax and sales tax are the two important types of tax levied by the government. So income tax, it is a tax, you can say, taken by the government from the income of a person who is doing a job or a business. And a sales tax, that means a person who is doing business, they have to pay tax to the government. So these two taxes are the two important taxes from which the government get the huge amount of income to perform all these functions in a better way.